Abraham Hicks states that you can be, do, or have anything that your heart's desires. But how can this be when you look around your life and you don't have what you want? You don't have the money that you want. You don't have the time that you want to spend with your family. You are not living in the place that you want to be. You don't own the things you want to own. You don't have the ability to go where you want to go. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you the answer to this. It's very simple. It's in the book Ask and It Is Given by Abraham Hicks, and we're going to look at one of the key quotes from that book that will give you the answer. Check out this quote here. It says, "The second of these three powerful universal laws is the law of deliberate creation. By deliberately directing your attention and thoughts towards the outcome that you desire, you can be or do or have anything that you choose." This is massive, and this is the focus of our video right now. You see, this is what you needed to hear today. This is why you are here focusing on this Abraham Hicks quote. You've decided, you accept that you can be, do, or have anything you choose, and that means you are ready to be a deliberate creator. But what does that actually mean? Well, the first step to that is you need to get into the vortex, and you need to stay in the vortex. What we need to do is we need to deliberately direct our attention. Look at the quote now. Deliberately direct our attention. Right now, if you're looking at the money you don't have, the place that you live which isn't where you want to be, if you're looking at the fact you don't have that dream partner, you're looking at your bank account and think it is empty, you are putting your attention and your thoughts in the wrong place. You need to focus on the outcome. So many of us can go, okay, I'll stop thinking negatively, but then we obsess over the process. How are we going to get to the goal? And that's not what you need to do. That's not what a deliberate creator does. A deliberate creator focuses on the end goal. They set that, they imagine how it could happen, and then they just enjoy the journey. Okay, use your imagination. Imagine what that end goal is going to look like. Paint that perfect picture of what your life is going to be. If you can't do a big jump, if you can't currently go from zero to a millionaire, that's absolutely fine. Imagine maybe if you've only got a few $100s in your bank account, maybe imagine there's 1,000 or 10,000. You can do these things in steps, but don't obsess over the journey. Don't break it apart and think exactly how you're going to get there. Imagine, dream the end goal. Accept the fact that you can be, do, or have anything you choose. Choose a goal that feels manageable and then dream that into existence. Okay, your brain cannot tell the difference between what is imagined, what is reality. So you need to spend some time in that imagined state. You need to be in that state of imagination. Get yourself into the vortex, raise your vibration, and get yourself imagining what that end goal looks like. And don't just see it. Imagine what you would hear, imagine what you would smell, imagine what you would taste, and most importantly, get into the emotion of it. Feel all those positive things, feel the happiness, the joy. It should be running through you, it should be oozing out of your body. If you can do that, then you are directing your attention and your thoughts towards the outcome. Then when negativity pops up, just embrace the fact that you've identified the negativity, give yourself a pat on the back for stopping it short, and then go back to that feeling. Put your attention on what you desire. Don't focus on the journey of how you're going to get there. Don't obsess over that. Use your intuition. You will see those messages, those guidance will start to pop up if you allow them into your life, but focus on deliberately directing your attention and thoughts towards the outcome you desire. I'm going to give you another quick part of this chapter now, this quote from Ask and It Is Given. It says, "The application of this law has resulted in the manifestation of the magnificent planet upon which you live, and in everything that you are able to see." Okay, there's so many things that didn't exist 10, 20, 30 years ago. They existed in somebody's imagination, and then they came to pass. You can do exactly the same thing. You can be a deliberate creator. You can imagine that £1,000, that £10,000, that £100,000 in your bank account. Focus your attention, your thoughts, and your positive emotions on that desire, that outcome, and then enjoy the journey to meeting that result.